From VOA Learning English, this is the Science Report. Why is it that when dogs drink, water seems to go everywhere? But when cats drink, the water is usually contained. Researchers at Virginia Tech University in Blacksburg, Virginia, have been studying why this happens. They say the mouths of cats and dogs are structured almost the same way. They found that cats and dogs do not have a full set of cheeks. This means they cannot create the force needed to drink, like humans, or elephants, or horses. But here is a surprise. The studies show that each family of animals has its own special drinking method. Sunny Jeong is the study's author and an associate professor of biomedical engineering and mechanics at Virginia Tech University. He says before they did basic studies of how cats and dogs drink, their guess was that it was about the same way. Instead, they found that cats and dogs are quite different when it comes to drinking water. Dogs must quickly move their tongues down into the water to build speed. They curl their tongues backwards and bring the water up and into their mouths. Cats do not bend their tongues. They use less speed and a more gentle action. They just skim or barely touch the surface of the water to drink it. Sean Gart is a researcher and Virginia Tech graduate student. He says cats are viewed as neat and dogs as messy while drinking. But that is because dogs have to move their tongues fast in the water. This makes good use of the way the water motion works. The research findings were published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. For VOA Learning English, I'm Ann Ball.